Beginning in 1892 with just a horse and cart loaded with furniture, WridgWays is now one of the largest removals companies in Australia, having helped move millions nationally and around the world, with hundreds of trucks and thousands of employees across Australia in every state. We're not just about removals, we also specialise in a range of services, including insurance, storage, destination services and immigration. At RidgeWays, we pride ourselves on being pioneers in our field. And we're the first company to complete an interstate removal by road from Melbourne to Brisbane in 1914. And in 1927, we successfully completed the first international shipment from Melbourne to San Francisco. Fast forward to today, and RidgeWays are still the leading innovators in packaging and storage, inventing the plasma carton for moving TVs, and we're the first in Australia to use modular storage systems. Whether you're moving to a new office, moving down the street, or to the other side of the world, RidgeWays have been a trusted choice for removals and relocations for the last 120 years.